Hello everyone, I'm Zach from Chauvin Arnoux UK, and today we're going to dive into the technical aspects of the CA 6240 micro-ohmmeter, a highly precise and reliable instrument used for measuring extremely low resistances. Did you know the CA 6240 is trusted by key industries like the electrical utility, renewable energy, power generation and distribution, and is commonly used for HV and earthing maintenance and quality control. This micro-ohmmeter range is designed with durability and portability in mind and comes with a rugged casing suitable for both laboratory and field environments. Equipped with a large, easy-to-read, backlit LCD screen, this micro-ohmmeter displays measurements clearly even in low light conditions. One of the standout features of the CA 6240 micro-ohmmeter is its wide measurement range. It can measure resistances from 5 micro-ohms up to 400 ohms with a high degree of accuracy. Its wide range of capabilities make it ideal for various applications, like testing electrical connections or checking contact resistance in circuit breakers or switches. This micro-ohmmeter employs a 4-wire Kelvin measurement method, which minimises errors caused by lead and contact resistances. This technique ensures that only the resistance of the object under test is measured, providing accurate results. The CA 6240 can deliver test currents up to 10 amps, allowing precise measurements even at very low resistance values. The high test current capability is useful when testing connections where the contact resistance needs to be as low as possible, such as in high power circuits. With this micro-ohmmeter, you'll never have to worry about data analysis or record keeping, as it includes internal memory capable of storing 100 measurements, and the data can be easily transferred to a PC via a USB interface, where it can be analysed using the micro-ohmmeter transfer software. The micro-ohmmeter transfer software provides advanced capabilities to help with data trend analysis, report generation, and the ability to export data to various formats, making it a resourceful tool for quality assurance and maintenance applications. While working with electrical measurement devices, your safety should be a priority. The CA 6240 is designed with this in mind. It includes overvoltage protection and a warning system to alert users if dangerous conditions are detected, ensuring safe operation in all environments. Measuring contact resistance in circuit breakers, switches or relays, it can also help assess cable joints, buzz bars, welded connections and quality control in manufacturing processes. That's all for this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more technical content.